Hi guys, I'm Cheryl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to try some new stuff. Maybe not new, but new to me, which is the palette of Fenty Beauty MAC lipstick, this dual lip liner, these brushes, and the Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation. So if you want to see how I did this look with using all that and my thoughts, keep on watching. I've already primed my face using the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. I love it. It's my favorite. So I have a couple of things that are new to me. They're not necessarily brand new, but they're new to me. And I'm so excited to try out the Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte. I purchased this at BoxyCharm pop-up store online. It was $18 if I'm not mistaken. So I grabbed it. I have that to try. I want to try the Fenty Beauty Nostalgia palette. This came in my BoxyCharm of February. And I got some other couple of things that I want to try out. Let's get started with the foundation. So it comes like this in this box. I got shade 120, but it's so hard to pick your right shade online. I don't know if it's just me or that happens to everybody, but it's so hard. I was there literally 25 minutes trying to decide which shade is the best shade. Oh, this seems really white. Really white. Okay, let's see. I already wet my sponge. This is what it looks like. It's glass. It has 1.8 ounces. And it's a pump. Yeah, it's really white. Oh, it's so white. Let's see how I make this work. If I can make it work. I cannot pick my right shade online. Oh, wow. Oh, Larry, we're gonna be the same. I will say it is matte. It feels really matte, but I like that because I have oily skin. Okay, so we're looking like Casper. It is set. It's slightly tacky, but not too much. So I'm gonna set it with powder. I'm gonna use this one. This is not new. I chose this one because it's a little bit darker than me, to see if I could balance this out a little bit and not look so pale like a ghost. I need some color in this face. So in my BoxyCharm last month, I got this. I don't think I've ever tried eyeshadows from this brand. I'm not sure. I don't think so. And I got these brushes, which I'm gonna try today. Ooh, they're pretty. Look at the little glitters. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Got this one. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if it has a name. No. No number, no name. This one, it's more like for the crease. I would use this for the crease. It's fluffy. It feels soft. And then the same one, but bigger. I guess this one will be more for blending. Let's start with the big one, which is this one. Put that on my crease and above, basically the whole eye. Ooh, pigmented. the brush is a little dense. And by that I mean that it doesn't like move swiftly. It's kind of dense, so it tugs. You see that? How it tugs on my skin? Because when it tugs, it could be a little bit harder to blend. But they're soft. Don't get me wrong. They feel soft. They're not scratchy or anything like that. It's just that they're really dense. You know what I mean? But that color, I like that color. That's pretty. So far, the foundation is looking pretty good. I just really wish I would have gotten my actual shade, but it's looking pretty good. I have no complaints, and I'll keep you posted in the description down below how it were, if it lasted, if it didn't separate or anything like that. I'm gonna put the same color underneath the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use raspberry over here, and I'm using the smaller size. It has a lot of pigment. It really does. I'm gonna blend that color with one of my brushes that I trust, because I won't be able to blend that well. It is, for me, it's not blendable. It just isn't. I can't work with it. I'm trying. By the way, this is the Luxie 237. So with the angle brush, I'm gonna go in with the green one up here, Theme Park. Guys, I'm melting. It's so hot. It's not even summer. I'm gonna go with Hiking on the outer corner. I'm gonna use the Luxie 237. That's heat. Stargazing and fun. So I'm gonna use now heat. Okay, so I'm back. This is how the eyes turned out. By the way, I'm using the Lunar Beauty lashes in style Nova. This box is so adorable. And it opens like this, and you place your lashes there. Love them. So I also have to try this MAC lipstick. I bought it from BoxyCharm. They were having a sale. I don't remember the price. This one is in the color Whirl, but I don't know if it's gonna go with this look. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna go with it, but I want to try it. Oh, and also, keep forgetting, I got this in my BoxyCharm last month, St. Luke's. They're lip liners, 2 of them, and I got in the shade Secret Admirer and Love Letter. This is the first one. Jesus. That was, oh my god, I'm melting. Secret Admirer. And this is Love Letter. Let me just swatch it real quick. Wow, it broke! Here it is. I did that so softly. What the no. What's this brand again? St. Luke's. Shame on you. Wow. Let's try the other one. This is Secret Admirer. I'm gonna do it on camera. This is basic. That's what I did with the other one and just broke. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. Shit happens. Should I try the lip liner? I'm scared. Scared. So hard. I mean, I really have to shove it in. They're not creamy at all. This is so hard. You know what? I'll pass. I don't like that. Let me try this. So my final thoughts. I love the palette. The palette is good. Ace Beauty is really good. I don't think I've ever tried it before, and I love those colors. I used, I think it was this one, that's 2, and I used this one. On the lid, in the inner corner of the lid, this one. So I used 4 colors, and they perform really well. There's fallout. A little bit, but very minimal. I like this a lot. The brushes. Glamour brushes from this brand right here. I mean, if you like collecting brushes, this is perfect because they're gorgeous. With the little effect of the hearts. These are all little hearts. I mean, that's cute, right? But and they're soft. It's just that they're too dense. It's just too dense. There's no movement to them, you know? This is fine because it's for detailed work and like lining and stuff like that. This is perfect for that. I didn't have no problem with this. But these two, they're just too dense for me. I love MAC lipsticks, so this is a plus for me. I don't know if this shade goes well with this look, but I wanted to try it out anyway. And the lip liners, no, not for me. It's so hard. It's not creamy at all, so I don't like that either. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.